Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dilim, your favorite family physician. My mission is to help you stave off unwanted visits to the emergency department by helping you and your families make healthy lifestyle choices. I'm sure we all know about the advent of coronavirus and the fact that it landed in Lagos just a few days ago. Before that, we had the Lassa fever outbreak in Kano a few weeks ago, and that led to the loss of the lives of some of our colleagues. And in Kano, we say allergy cancer. Back to what I have to teach us today. I'm going to be sharing with us a few tips on how to make hand sanitizers at home. And that's because I found out that a lot of pharmaceuticals have run out of hand sanitizers, and those who still have in stock have the prices have skyrocketed. My tongue is not cooperating. The prices have skyrocketed to about 1,000% increase. So I'm going to show us a few tips. It's quite easy. I've been making hand sanitizers since forever at home, and I'll just show us how to go about that. The ingredients that are needed to make homemade hand sanitizer are very easy. You need an aloe vera gel. You also need some glycerin. You need isopropyl alcohol, which you can buy in the market at those who sell chemicals. You just ask them for isopropyl alcohol or IPA. Better still, if that is quite difficult for you, just go to any pharmacy near you and ask for this brand of spirit. Just ask them for Moko isopropyl alcohol, and that should give you the equivalent of IPA. How does it work? First of all, you just need your aloe vera gel. I made this at home. This is homemade aloe vera gel. It's better than store-bought aloe vera gel, or I did not have store-bought aloe vera gel. I have a lot of friends who have aloe vera gardens, so I just went and plucked some leaves of aloe vera and made the aloe vera gel. How does that work? Once you pluck the leaves of the aloe vera, you peel all of the green skin off, and then the pulp, you just put it into a blender and blend. That is as simple as ABC. That's how to make aloe vera gel in the home using aloe vera leaves. Okay? Because it is homemade aloe vera gel, it tends to get stale very easily. What we can do to prevent the disintegration of aloe vera gel, homemade aloe vera gel, is by adding some vitamin C powder. Either that, or we add some vitamin E oil. In this case, I'm going to be adding the two of them. This is vitamin E oil. This helps to preserve the aloe vera and saves it from running bad. So I've mixed vitamin C powder and I've mixed vitamin E oil into the aloe vera gel. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding some glycerin into it. What the glycerin does is just helps increase the moisture content of the hand sanitizer. So this is some glycerin. Make sure you don't put too much. If you do, it becomes quite sticky. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding my isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so okay. Dipping it into this, just some of it. If you want your hand sanitizer to be very watery, you should add a lot of isopropyl alcohol. If you don't have more aloe vera gel. Okay, so it's my isopropyl alcohol. I'll add the aloe vera gel to it and stir. This is some hand sanitizer already. I'll just try it out and see if it's what I want. Whoa. Okay, so I'm going to pour it into a bottle that I have. I have lots of bottles like this. We'll just pour it into it. The bottle is not cooperating. Okay. Alright, here we go. You need to dip it into this nylon. It's going to act as a funnel. Why I'm using this is because I do not have a funnel that has a very tiny opening. My funnels are quite big. So this is my bottle, right? And then I'll just puncture this. Puncture it properly. Okay, so here I have my homemade hand sanitizer. I'll just wipe the bottle. I'll put the lid on and voila. I even found out that before hand sanitizers were run out of in the Nigerian market space, that before hand sanitizers were pretty expensive, about 300 to 500 naira per 50 mils, which doesn't last for really long. So this is also cost economical. And then I'm going to do another video on how to use the hand sanitizer. Alright, so I hope you've been able to learn how to make homemade hand sanitizers at home. It's very easy, it's affordable, and it works as effectively as store-bought hand sanitizers. If you've been able to learn one or two things, I would like you to click on the subscribe button. I also like you to share with your friends and your loved ones. I also like you to click on the notifications on this channel, and then you can follow us on all our handles. I remain Dr. Dilin, your favorite family physician. I love you. I love your hand hygiene. I love your hand safety. Bye.